Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog wipes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Booyah Tree-Free Bamboo Pet Wipes. Our number 1 pick is a favorite among dog owners for its dog-friendly formulation. It features all natural ingredients, with the main active ones being aloe vera and vitamin E. They help to maintain the integrity of your dog's skin by keeping it moisturized and helping with healing in case there was any previous irritation. In addition to cleaning and moisturizing, the Booyah Tree-Free Bamboo Pet Wipes are designed with a special formula that conditions the dog's hair. You could therefore use these to give your pooch's coat a slight pick-me-up when it gets a little dull, while at the same time freshening up the dog before the next wash. The wipes themselves are made from sustainable bamboo material. This offers the benefit of being eco-friendly as it is biodegradable. The dog also has a lot to look forward to with this specification, as bamboo wipes are particularly soft and therefore gentle on the little one's skin. These wipes are easily the best on the market, mainly due to their dog-friendly formulation. Everything from the wipe piece to the cleaning formulation includes natural ingredients which not only help you wipe off the nastiness but also leave the coat healthy and refreshed. If you want value for your money, this is undoubtedly the best option. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Earth-Rated Dog Wipes. This option features a unique set of ingredients. These include aloe vera, shea butter and chamomile. Aloe vera is ideal for dealing with irritated skin. In addition to soothing, it has been shown to have antimicrobial effects, which makes it ideal if you have a pooch currently dealing with issues like breakouts, skin infections or any other form of irritation. The shea butter and chamomile also contribute to the soothing effect. Furthermore, they help maintain moisture not only on the dog's skin but also on their fur. They do so by creating a protective seal on the skin and hair layers to help with moisture retention. This combination of ingredients also gives the Earth-Rated Dog Wipes a very unique scent. You could make use of them if you want help with grooming a dog suffering from body odor for one reason or another. It is especially awesome if you like mild scents. This might be one of the lower budget options, but this does not mean that they compromise on value in any way. From the natural ingredients to the pleasant scent, you can rest assured that the pack is more than worth trying out. The best part is that it is safe for your dog with the hypoallergenic and chemical-free formulation. At number 3, we have the Glandex Pet Wipes. One of the leading causes of dog odors is anal gland secretions. If you have been around a dog with this, you know it is nowhere near pleasant. That is exactly what Glandex Pet Wipes are designed to help you deal with. After all, washing your dog every day can and will get a little tiresome for both of you. The wipes contain a special compound known as the Dioplex enzyme. This is meant to bind to the odorous secretions from your dog's anal glands. This is a natural extract with deodorizing capabilities that neutralizes bad smells by breaking them down biochemically. If you are tired of the stench from your dog's anal secretions and need a simple and quick fix, then these wipes are more than up to the task with a simple yet effective natural solution. At number 2, we have the Pogies Grooming Wipes. What sets the Pogies Grooming Wipes apart from other alternatives on the market is the quilted design that the wipe leaves come with. Aside from giving them a distinct look, the style makes the wipes very effective when it comes to getting rid of dirt from the pooch's skin, paws and fur. It does this by offering better grip and friction. They are therefore perfect if you want a pack of wipes to clean things like dirt and mud from your pooch after outdoor exploration. They will get the job done well, allowing your little one to continue with the fun indoors without littering your space with dirt and grime. These are some of the best quilted wipes that will get rid of all the dirt and nastiness from your dog's coat, leaving them fresh and moisturized before their next deep cleaning session. And finally, at number 1, we have the PUPMATE Pet Wipes. The PUPMATE Pet Wipes are well known for their combination of cleansing, deodorizing and moisturizing effects, all with one wipe over the dog's skin. The triple threat formulation makes the pack ideal for dog owners who want something simple yet versatile in terms of effectiveness for full value from the investment. All these benefits are from the use of high-quality ingredients like aloe vera and vitamin E. The specific proportions used in this formulation focus a lot on moisturization for both skin and fur health. So if your doggy has been looking a little dull and flaky, then this is a pack worth considering. The PUPMATE Pet Wipe is a pretty simple yet effective pack of wet wipes that is ideal if you are looking for something affordable that still gets the job done. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.